When I want. Eyebrows, of course, because Kila is life. And then lip tint, cheek tint, and curled lashes. I usually go for lips or something that's warm rose, something that's just gonna give color or just a flush of color on my face. I just immediately glide on red lipstick kasi whenever you have the red lipstick on, it just immediately gives you that authority. Not really intimidating, but when you wear it right, it just feels sexy and more daring and just instantly boosts my confidence. A dark lipstick or a red lipstick. Just a change of a bolder color will just immediately make it like epic and really nice. It was recently when I did this ultimate makeover video for a viewer of mine, and I made her dream come true by giving her a full makeover. You know, as a beauty vlogger kasi I would always just teach and share my knowledge. Probably when girls and women started to send messages to me asking me for advice, telling me how much I inspired them, and of course telling me how much they love watching my videos. When you leave a positive impact on someone's life and make it something unforgettable, I think that's very epic. Probably how you inspire others to be confident and beautiful by using makeup or just being yourself, being natural. To make an epic mark will always be when you are remembered by people in a positive way. I think that's it.